Hello everyone, welcome to CSP2P. So in this session, I'll show you how you can create a Razor account. Okay, so let's go to Google and search for RazorPay. Then click on this link, the first one. Okay, now you can click on sign up, then scroll down and click on sign up, payment sign up. So click on continue. Then now it is asking your number. You can give your mobile number here. Then click on send OTP. You can give your mobile number here. Then click on send OTP. So fine, once you get the OTP, just enter it. Choose individual. Then enter your name. Then click on next. So it is asking where do you want to accept the payment. You can choose other or anything you can choose from this given option. You can select others and right here that's API, then next. Then click on continue. Then it will ask you your PAN number. Enter your PAN number here. Then click on continue. So it is asking for confirmation. Yes, confirm. So I'm choosing education. Then you can choose e-learning. Then it is asking the trade under which university or college. So I'm choosing for none of the above. Then click continue. Now your account is created. You can click on complete KYC. It is asking to upload the bank details and your identity proof, business address to verify your identity. Okay, fine. So give your account number. So give your account number and IFSC code here. Then click on done. Then it is asking for identity proof. You can choose any. You can click on it and you can choose Aadhaar or anything and upload your Aadhaar. So upload is success. Now click on done, continue. Fine. So you can give the address here. Click on submit. KYC, fine. Got it. So now it is done. Our account is got created. From here, see in the test mode enabled green color icon. Below down there is a link button, generate test key. You can click on there to generate your key. Okay, just click on it and download the key. Okay, so now it is showing your key. Fine, so it is getting downloaded. That's it. Now you are ready to go. You can use the key in your application. Thank you. Thanks for watching.